Hello all, welcome back. In this video, let's see how to install PostgreSQL in Windows 10. So this is the website. You can just click on this. Now it should download automatically. If not, you have to click here link. Then go to the download folder, right click on the exe file, click open. Okay, so the setup for Postgres will be opened now. So choose the default directory given there for installation, and here I am just unchecking stack builder alone. All the remaining components will be installed. You have to provide a password for the database super user. Then setup is ready to begin installing PostgreSQL in our computer. It's an advanced relational database that supports both SQL and JSON querying. Okay, so it is installed successfully. Click finish. Then go to the search box and type PSQL. So that SQL shell will be opened. From the SQL shell, you have to just press enter for server. Similarly for database, port and username. Only for the password, you have to type the password which you have set already during installation. That is the super user's password. Okay, now we have entered into Postgres. You can just verify the version by giving select version. Then I have created the database using command create database flask _db. After that, you can go into the database by giving \c database name. Okay, so that's it. This is how we install and verify the installation of PostgreSQL in Windows 10. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe.